But we are back in here with our bathroom that we are undergoing. We ran into a problem the other day. I'm going to tell you all about it. So hopefully this don't happen to you. But in a nutshell, we got going with the tile work and setting our first row coming up. We got to two pieces on row 2. We started noticing things after the second, third piece on the first row, and things were just not lining up, and we knew something was not right. So for the first time ever, the tile we bought, which was a decent tile, it was not a cheap tile, it was a good quality tile. It was just a bad lot. So the tile left to right, any way you measure that tile, it was not rectangle. It was not 12 by 24. There was a 1/16 of an inch difference from the top edge to the bottom edge, any way you dice the tape measure. So that explains when we finally set 2 of our pieces up on row 2, and one was a 1/16, almost an 1/8 of an inch taller than the other side, and they were all sitting flat on our clip system. We knew right then. We broke out the tape measure, figured it all out. So back to Louisville we went to take all that back, cut pieces and all. We got a different tile, and of course, from here on out, we're going to measure every tile, no matter where we go, what we buy. Just never had to do that till now. First for everything. I'm sure you all probably had that happen sooner or later yourselves, but the tile they got now is really awesome. I'll tune you in, check it out. So there it is. This is the new tile. So we were down here, right here on this first row, and we started laying. These two didn't line up, so I thought, okay, and we were, picking up, scooting in, doing the whole 9 yards, and nothing was coming together. So we got all the way over here to this guy and this guy, and we stopped. We put 2 brand new ones right here in this spot, and that's when we figured it out. I mean, nothing was pinstriped. It wasn't even close. It's just one of those things. We have never had that happen, but we got it all sorted out. Cat got sick a couple of days ago, had some particles in the stomach area, so we had to go to the veterinarian and do all that jazz. So it's been a different couple of days, but everything all in all is fantastic. We're done in here. We'll be setting up to grout come Monday. We're going to be laying floor in the kitchen, living room, down the hallway. So next week, we're going to let you all meet the homeowner. We're going to talk to her. She's pretty excited about that. Just today was not the day. So we'll catch her next week at some point, tune y'all in for that. But as usual, we appreciate you all tuning in. We hope this information, helps somebody at home. That's a long way out of the way just to take all that back off, clean everything, take it back to the store, go through that whole process. But all in all, this is picture perfect. They are very happy, and we're going to be moving forward with the project. So that's kind of the reason we didn't bring you in and show you any of the tile or anything like that and what we were doing. We just kind of backslid there a couple of days, but all in all, worked out great. So happy holidays. Merry Christmas, it just passed, and Happy New Year coming up. And until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon. Have a fabulous weekend.